In this session, we will go through how to iterate over dictionary. Let's create a dictionary. Name John. Age 12. Class 6. 6. Male. Section J. So a dictionary in Python is a collection of unordered values accessed by key. Right? Now let's print. So this is the dictionary. Now let's iterate using keys. We'll use for loop for k in D. Now let's print. What is k here? Let's print and see k, and when you run, you're getting name, age, class, sex, section. They are keys in the given dictionary. That means when you try to loop through the dictionary, by default it gives list of keys. So this is equals to dot keys. Now let's access values using keys. I'll use a string format method here. Dot format k comma access values using key. So now you got both key value pairs. Now let's iterate over dictionary using key value pairs. In the above example, we just got key, then access the value using dictionary like an index. Now here in this example, we'll try to get both key value together. For k v in d dot items, then print k comma v. So here items method returns list of items in the form of tuples. Each tuple carries key value pair. The tuple will be assigned to variables k and v here. Now let's print. Right, so k and v represent each item, and every iteration it returns the items returns a tuple assigns to k and v variables. Then we are printing here. Let's iterate over keys in the sorted order. We will use Python inbuilt sorted function. For key in sorted D, print key comma D key. So now when you print, you're getting the keys in a sorted order. So this is about looping over dictionaries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.